Unfortunately, we have to tell the world that once again we've been attacked. Our boat here, the family, is docked 150 meters from the coast in Tunisia, and 6 people were on board this boat during night watch, and they saw a drone coming up, dropping an explosive device right here at the bow on starboard side of our ship. Blew off, it put other things on fire as well, our life vests and other stuff. Our crew fought this fire and finished this fire in around 4 to 5 minutes, and then we sounded the alarm for everyone else. This is not the first time that a flotilla mission trying to go to Gaza to break the siege and create a humanitarian corridor has been attacked. 5 months ago, our boat, the Conscious, was attacked pretty much the same way, and we all know by who. We cannot attest on which is the owner of this drone. We cannot attest where it came from, but we know who used quadcopter drones with explosive devices and who really hates the idea of a humanitarian mission trying to stop children from starving to death in Gaza. So we need to unite. We cannot accept this. We need to rise up. We need to mobilize everywhere we are. If they can do this here to a non-violent, humanitarian, peaceful mission, they can do anything, anywhere. So we need to stop this horrific threat to the entire world.